Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, The Sojourners Palette. This is Prachi here and I hope that everyone is in the pink of their health and are doing absolutely great. Also stay safe.
Hold up.
So here I am back with another video for you guys. In today's video we'll be talking about what hospitality is in a brief, and we'll be getting an idea about how it works and on what basis and on what grounds. So if you're interested, see the video till the end and also do share it with people whom it might help. So without any further ado, let's begin with our video. So a basic idea, and to basically understand what this is about, so the first thing is it is a service oriented industry, which means that we give services to the people who are in need, to our guests, and also the people who are looking for some accommodation, or the there are various services, not just food and accommodation, which we'll be understanding further in the upcoming videos. But for now, a basic rough idea is that it is a service oriented industry and you give services, various diverse services, to the people who come to you. So the next thing that we'll be understanding is the base of this industry. So the base lies in travel and tourism. So it is mostly influenced by the travel and tourism industry, because a lot of people travel across the world, across the globe, for various reasons. And in that process, while that process, a person is looking for a comfortable and friendly, also safe place to stay, and he's looking for some good food always. So this is when we step in and we make sure that that person is feeling safe and also like home when he's away from his home. So all the basic necessities are being taken care and are being given right outside the doorstep of the guest, and is being taken care for the guest. Also, one other thing that this industry works is on the motto of Atithi Devo Bhava. In India, it is a old tradition that whenever a guest comes to you, he's been treated like God, and all the needs are being satisfied for that person. So this is the same thing we try to go out of the way and to satisfy the needs of the guest when he's come to us. Also, it is because we are constantly engaged in an act of giving kindness and love to anyone who's in need. So anyone who comes to us, we make sure that that person's query, or the problem is being solved and is being taken care by us. Also, one misconception that a lot of people have, and which I would want to break the bubble for them, is that this has nothing to do with the work that doctors do in the hospital. The hospitality and hospitals are two completely different concepts, and we don't do anything that doctors do in the hospital. So this is the number one point. And the second thing is that a lot of people know this field by the name of hotel management, but it is not just only about hotels. It is functional in a lot of other areas too, which we'll be talking soon later in this segment. So this industry is a 24/7 functional industry for all the departments who's working in this industry. So we work even on the days of weekends or festivals or any public holidays when people enjoy. We are the ones who are working and serving people, because it happens that during any vacations or any festivals, people like to travel to various other places, and at that point of time we make sure that we are there to take care of them, because one of the major things that we want is to develop trust and complete satisfaction for the guest, and every bit or every moment of their vacation or their stay is being memorable and is being enjoyable at the same time. So, talking about this industry is diverse in nature. So, when I say diverse, what I mean is that we come across various peoples, like various walks of life. There are so many people coming in, then right from a child, a teenager, a senior citizen, a adult, or a Indian guest, or an international foreign guest. We have celebrities, a lot of big reputed personalities who walk in um, who walk in our hotel and whom we serve, whom we interact with. So there's a huge exposure that happens and a huge learning every moment which happens. So this industry basically molds you to become a disciplined, a well organized, and a professionally skilled and a qualified person altogether. So now, after having spoken so much about this industry, and I hope that a lot of y'all's question must have been cleared on the part of what it is exactly, what hospitality is. So now, moving further, what are the basic requirements that this industry looks upon? So if you want to become a part of this industry, then what are the things that you'll have to consider in yourself before joining it? So let's have a look to this. So the things that you need is you need to be very groomed, like you need to be up to the mark all the time. You need to be presentable, you need to be confident. Then you need to have a very good command over your English speaking skills. Your general knowledge should be on point. So you need to keep yourself updated with whatever is happening, not just nationally but also internationally, worldwide. And the second thing is you need to have, they'll ask for a medical certificate in which you need to state that you are physically fit. The reason for this is that since it is 24/7 functional industry, you're always running here and there. So you need to be physically fit for working in this industry. So, after having spoken about the qualifications or the things that the industry looks upon, is the areas that you can consider working. What are the areas that you will be working? So, the first is our kitchen. Then we have our bar. You can work in the bakery. You can work in sales and marketing. If you are good with accounts, you can be an accountant. You can work in a restaurant. You can be a restaurant manager. You can work in the spa. If you are a gym trainer, you can work in the gymnasium. Then we have banquets. So if you're good at event management, you can work there, where a lot of events are being organized based on the theme. You can do that. So you can be at the reception if you have a very good command over English, as I said, and if you're good with public speaking. We have a department as maintenance. You can work in the housekeeping department. We have personal butlers that are being given to the celebrities or the high profile guests. You can work in that butler service. We have in room dining. We further have security, receiving room. We have laundry. So there are n number of options that you can consider working in. And this is a diverse industry. You can work whichever place you feel is suitable for you and will work the best for you. So now we spoke about the various departments that you can consider working as. It's not just limited to five-star property, but there's a lot where you can work. So the places where you can work are 3-star, 5-star, 4-star properties. Then you can work in coffee shops, you can work in bar, you can work in bakery, you can further work in malls, you can work in clubs, you can work in theaters. You also have an option of working in cruise liners and also airline industry, because this course in fact will make you such a all-rounder personnel that you can try your luck wherever in so many diverse places if you want to. So this was it for today's video. I hope this video was informative and helpful for you guys. I tried keeping it as short and sweet as possible and also easy to understand. In case if you have more questions or if you have doubt regarding whatever I spoke, you can write down in the comment section below, and also share it with people whom it might help. And if you like the video, do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I'll be back with another informative video. Till then, stay tuned and stay safe.